She is running. She is running. They play football. They play football. We are studying for the test. We are studying for the test. He is reading a book. He is reading a book. I am eating lunch. I am eating lunch. We are watching a movie. We are watching a movie. She is cooking dinner. She is cooking dinner. He is writing a letter. He is writing a letter. I am drinking water. I am drinking water. They are dancing at the party. They are dancing at the party. She is singing a song. She is singing a song. I am working on my project. I am working on my project. He is drawing a picture. He is drawing a picture. We are traveling to the beach. We are traveling to the beach. I am cleaning the house. I am cleaning the house. She is making a cake. She is making a cake. We are walking in the garden. We are walking in the garden. He is reading a book. He is reading a book. She is eating lunch. She is eating lunch. I am listening to music. I am listening to music. He is helping me with my homework. He is helping me with my homework. We are visiting our grandparents. We are visiting our grandparents. She is taking a nap. She is taking a nap. I am playing chess. I am playing chess. They are swimming in the pool. They are swimming in the pool. We are going on a picnic. We are going on a picnic. I am buying groceries. I am buying groceries. She is talking on the phone. She is talking on the phone. He is fixing the car. He is fixing the car. She is brushing her hair. She is brushing her hair. We are planting flowers. We are planting flowers. They are making a video. They are making a video. I am packing my bag. I am packing my bag. She is riding a bike. She is riding a bike. I am looking at the sky. I am looking at the sky. She is opening the door. She is opening the door. We are sharing our toys. We are sharing our toys. I am drawing a flower. I am drawing a flower. She is helping her mother. She is helping her mother. They are playing basketball. They are playing basketball. I am visiting a museum. I am visiting a museum. She is watering a plants. She is watering a plants. He is playing with his dog. He is playing with his dog. Thanks for watching.